In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NotebookLM error uploading source. If you're seeing error uploading source in NotebookLM, it usually comes down to three things: file limits, file format issues, or a browser hiccup. I'll walk you through a simple checklist that resolves the vast majority of upload failures. Start with the quickest fix. Refresh the page and try the upload again. A simple reload or pressing Ctrl+R often clears temporary server or session glitches. Google's servers can get busy, so a second attempt right after a refresh can do the trick. Next, confirm your file meets NotebookLM's limits. The maximum file size is roughly 200 megabytes. The maximum words per source is about 500,000, and free notebooks can hold up to 50 sources. If your document is too large, split it into smaller PDFs or documents and upload them separately. Make sure the format is supported. NotebookLM accepts PDFs, DOCX, Google Docs, plain text or Markdown, web URLs, and YouTube links. Uploads commonly fail with zip archives, certain image files from older versions, and protected PDFs. If you're using one of those, convert it to a supported, text-accessible format first. Most upload issues come from PDFs. If the PDF is scanned or image only, NotebookLM can't read it because there's no selectable text. Run it through OCR using a tool like Google Drive's Open with Google Docs or an Adobe OCR workflow, then upload the text-based version. If the PDF is copy protected or locked, reprint it to PDF or export it as a docs so the text can be extracted. If the problem seems browser related, open a private or incognito window and try again. Extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with uploads. Also, clear your browser cache to remove corrupted site data, then retry the upload. Check your internet connection, particularly for large files. Unstable uploads can stall or fail. Switch to a more reliable Wi-Fi network, and avoid mobile hotspots when sending big PDFs. If a URL upload fails with messages like source unreachable or paywalled content, the page may require a login or might not be publicly accessible. Copy the article text and add it as a text source instead. There's also a hidden limit to watch for. Even if the Add Source button appears, uploads can silently fail once a notebook is near capacity. On the free plan, keep it under 50 sources or remove unused items or start a new notebook. As a last resort, rename the file to remove symbols like number signs or percent signs, convert the PDF to DOCX and upload that, or wait 10 to 15 minutes in case of server throttling, then try again.